Welcome everyone in the 3 days with Opesh Singh package. Each day 2 hours of personal coaching training session provided by Mr. Opesh Singh. Ask anything about your personal life and your business. The immediate action plan according to your business and life. Real facts that will change your life and business. Advise new techniques and plans that must implement to get super growth. We will make you unstoppable, unbelievable and unbreakable. What makes a business? Scalability, strategy and learning. And we are providing all three for you. So now, grab, plan, grow. We are with you. So why to choose us? Here are some reasons. You can read it by pausing your video. So don't miss us. Just join the package and be the master of your business.